So hello and welcome, and this is online learning box. And today, as I told before, today in this class we are take more examples of human skeleton and observe some postures. And here in this video tutorial we are trying to draw human skeleton in running phrase or the running movements. So let's try to draw a human skeleton in different angle, some different angles, actually 3 to 4 different angle, or 2 to 3 different angles about the skeleton is running. So let's start drawing human skeleton. First of all, we are just drawing some circle over here. See, you can see this is circle, and here the neck portions and the torso portions here like this the chest portions, and this is the spinal cord is like here, and the hip and hip joints, and here see this thing. I'm actually try to draw the running postures, a human skeleton in running postures. So see like this, okay, and this is very useful tutorial. Please watch carefully because in upcoming video it will definitely help you to identify the human body structure. So this is very important. If you practice like this with me, you will definitely benefit it from this video. So this is actually the upper portions of leg and the lower portion of leg like this, and this one the foot. So in my students I have seen that they don't actually study the human skeleton, and after that fall into trouble when drawing figure. So I'm request to my student, always study the human skeleton. Don't try to memorize the medical terms, the cracks ones. There's if you learn medical terms, if you remember medical terms, this is very good, but this is not necessary when we are going to draw. Drawing actually has observations, one type of observations. When you are study live, you are observations, okay, and that observations actually you are exploring to your canvas. So that's my my observations. Actually in this tutorial we observe how a skeleton is running in different postures. So let's try to draw the hands here. So hands movements when somebody running, it looks like this, and this is for the hand, okay. So it looks like this, and this is rapid sketch. Don't try to detailing on this matter. So I'm not try to give some details here. So this is actually the human skeleton looks like, okay. So here you can remember that my previous video I have already mentioned the human skull. So you know that this curve is very important. From this curve actually the neck portions is actually begins. So this is very important here. So this is, you can see actually we are just go through this rapid sketch, and don't try to some important tips and tricks. So don't do like this. This is breaking strokes, and if you are practice like this is not not profitable for your artwork, not good for your practice. So don't do like this. Always do the sketch like this. Okay, this is C curve and this is S curve. Okay, try to do like this. This is the extra tips, and so just try to draw this one. Okay, so this is actually a postures when a skeleton is running or human is running like this. Okay, so this one is something like that, and this is when you are giving flesh and muscles over here, so this looks like this. Okay, this something, and here a curve is occur. So if you study carefully a curve and bend, you can do properly. So it's like this. So it's something like this. It's thinner and thinner in the portions like this. So this is the observation. So do like this, and this is this one and this one. So study of human skeleton to be an artist is very important. Always study human skeleton or others animal skeleton properly. Don't try to memorize the medical terms, medical points. It's not required. Okay, always see, observe the life, the postures, the style of walking, the style of running. It's very important. Okay, so observation is a very good thing, and listen to other word. That's a very good thing. If you listen and observe, the 100%, 95% problem will be solved. So this is actually the human skeleton when he or she running. Okay, so here some like this. Okay, so this curve is actually very important, and this is for the neck portion. This is for the neck portion. Okay, this is for the neck portion. Okay, now this is two separate tissues here, separate bones joining here. So this is like this, and in the lower part this looks like this. Okay, so this is running the side view. This is side view. This is side view. So we next we are trying to draw the top portions and another angle. So okay, there is another angle. This is the top view angle. Now try to draw the top view angle. So this is circle over here. So everything in the geometric shape. So try to draw, always try to draw in geometric shape. So this is actually the circle of the skull. Okay, now this is for the eyes portion, and this is for the nose portion here. From here to here, this is actually you can see and you can imagine this is actually the top view. Okay, lights enter from this distance. Okay, this is the source of light. Okay, the lights enter here, and this is actually enlightened. So let's another thing here. You can see this is collarbone. Okay, this is collarbone part, and now here the hand, the postures of hand. So this is okay. Now see, and this one for the lower joints, and some fingers is visible from here. So it's a rapid sketch. Don't try to draw in details, so it will mess up. Actually it's just create your observations and practice like this, and you can give me mail of your work. Okay, I will definitely check. See this one, and this is for the closer one. So if you can see, this is the closer angle. So this is one for the lower part, and so this one, and this one for the hand. Okay, so it's from like this. Okay, so you can clearly observe this is the top view of human skeleton, like this top view. Okay, you can see this is actually, let's say, a difficult angle. Don't worry about this. It's actually try to draw some boxes over here, and from these boxes you can imagine where to put the body structure. So always practice and do like this. This is some boxes. Okay, so here I just try to draw some of. Okay, so this is one, and this is okay. Okay, so this one, so this is top view. Okay, now you can clearly understand, this is the end portions of the upper chest. It's a collarbone. It's a collarbone, and the back here. Okay, so this is top view. This is top view. Okay, now let's try to draw another angle. This will definitely help you to draw and give improvement to your drawing. So let's try to draw another angle. So let's try to draw another angle like a font view. So if someone running on font, so this is circle, this is for the neck portion, and now for the leg portion it's something like that. This is the rib joints, and this is collarbone like this, and you can clearly see this is collarbone. and here rib joints. This is rib joints. Okay, this is something like that. Practice with me. Take a pen and paper and practice with me like this. It will definitely improve your sketching and put ahead of your observation. Okay, so this is for the touch, and this is the hip joints. Something like this. Hip joints is something like this. This extra curve means this is the female hip. Okay, so this is like this, okay. And this one. So this is actually the upper portions, and you can see this is upper portion. Okay, and always try to draw some cylinder like this or pipe like this view, so it's definitely help you to study on 3D and sketching. Okay, so it's like this pipe. So this is actually pipe like things. Okay, just pointing out how we can draw. Okay, so this is actually, and always try to draw some circles. This is the drilling of hands, how you can mastering on the sketch. Okay, so try to draw like this. This is your task. Always practice, because practice makes you perfect. Okay, even I'm not also perfect. I'm just observe the human style, study of life, so you can do better than me. Always be confident yourself, so it will definitely boost up you. Okay, so always dream better and better. Okay, so this is my observation, and here you can clearly observe this is the postures of the upper hand. This is the hand looks like this. Okay, and this is actually the back. Let's go back, and let's go back, and this is two bones is joined like this. Okay, so this is actually the top view, and just putting some hole for the eyes. This is the teeth portions, and here the gap between the upper jaw and okay, so this is skeleton. It looks like this. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, now this is actually the overview how you can draw the human skeleton and running style. So it's like this, and it's drawing. Okay, it's a gap. Okay, now this is for the running overview. So it's actually angle. it's this is called the vanishing point. This is, sorry, this one, VP, vanishing point, and this one for the vanishing point. Okay, so this is vanishing point. So lights drop over here, lights drop over here, and like this, and this is line 1. The human body is divided in 8 parts. So here actually this upper bone is bent, so this leg is looks small. For this, here you can do some cylindric overview. So you can imagine this thing. Okay, now it's done. So this one, and now try to draw other point of view, other angle. This is the chest is ending here, and this is the belly portion. Okay, so this is lower abdomen. This is lower abdomen, and this is the urinary part, and this is neck one. So this is some points you should remember always. So now try to draw other angle. Okay, now let's try to draw another angle. So this is also, you can call top side view. So for this we are just trying to draw from the head. So this is a skeleton, so you can easily draw. This is a skeleton. Okay, so something like this. This is nose. Okay, this is very easy, no problem. You can clearly do this. Okay, easily you can do this and clearly see what I'm taking the look. So here you can if you draw the eyeballs, it's look like this, and the viewpoint is like this. Okay, this is actually this one is the point of view. So this is actually the collarbone, and the angle of the neck. So this is for the neck. Okay, this is neck, and the spinal cord, neck and spinal cord. This is very important. And this is the lower jaw. Okay, this is rapid sketch. Don't try to draw in detail. So this will fall you some depressions. So it's speed drawing, something like that. Okay, so it's postures before start run. So here a little gap. Okay, so this is the hip joint. Okay, this is hip joints, and now the upper portions of leg, and this is this one. Okay, now this is the foot portion, and okay, so always try to draw circle in cylindric view, and try to draw some boxes in 3D view. It will definitely help you to study on the human figure or on the other figures. So it's actually some box. Okay, so do like this, and here I'm trying to draw the upper body, and here you can see this is abdomen. Okay, so it's something looks like this. This is this one. Okay, so you can clearly see, and this hand is actually hide behind this rib. Okay, behind this rib, this hand. Actually, this hand is back over here, and this actually it's point out to like this. Okay, and if you don't need to draw this hand, because this is the back portion and its height. Okay, so this is actually, this is bent over here, and now this portion, and this is the joints of the knee, and this joints is clearly visible over here. So this joints, so try to draw like this. Actually, this is very helpful for you. Okay, okay guys, this is, I think, include this session, and here I'm ending the sessions. And if you think this is very helpful, please comment on comment box. I will definitely in my upcoming video where I will share my experience, drawing experience with you. So stick to this channel and keep watching. Till then, thank you very much. Stay tuned on this channel. Bye bye.